That scroll shows there has been another change in history.
This is when the two Saiyans, Nappa and Vegeta, arrive on Earth.
Two Saiyans this time, eh? That's quite the pickle, wouldn't you say? These changes have been picking up in frequency lately. Please be careful out there.
Come to get squashed?
Who are you? Did you come here to help us? Oh, you're a Saiyan like them, aren't you? You got some kind of grudge against them or what?
Who cares who it is? We have to slow him down until Goku gets back!
My leg! Oh, I'm so scared!
Hey, a close fight like this.
Forget about the brat then! We have more important work to do! Did you say what? No! This is particularly fun. I'll take my time crushing you one by one.
Whoa! Familiar!
Must be. It's Goku! He's kept us waiting long enough!
But wait! Something's a little off.
Something along with Goku.
Whoever or whatever it is slowing Goku down, the others can't hold out much longer. No choice. Find the opening and get over to Goku.
Hey, I'm in a hurry! Stay out of my way!
Xenoverse is dead! He's not supposed to be dead! Looks like a smear of some kind. And in fact, it looks just like Goku.
My name is Turles. I want you to fight. You put on quite a show. So, would you like to consider joining? You can do whatever you want. Destroy planets, eat good food, drink all you like. Whatever you wish. There's nothing better, I tell you. You're among the last Saiyans in the universe. All things considered. Yeah.
Don't give us to speak with that grip. It's hard to follow your lead.
Oh, so you're not interested, eh? Well, you can just die. This guy is just like me for some reason. Of course, you and me look alike, Kakarot. We're both disposable, low-class warriors. Make no mistake. I'll tell you what you've done with that life. Soon, everyone will kneel before Turles.
My partner is currently en route to your location. Turles is a dangerous opponent. We need teamwork to bring him down.
I guess that's enough for now.
Hurry after him!